Dogecoin gains 12% after token symbol replaces blue bird as Twitter logo. Twitter CEO Elon Musk in the past has shown himself to be a fan of the meme coin. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Dogecoin, DOGE, is higher by 12% after the Shiba Inu symbol representing the token replaced the familiar bluebird atop the Twitter homepage. Elon Musk in the past has suggested the meme coin may offer better payments functionality than Bitcoin. This is a developing story. Please check back for updates. Learn more about Consensus 2023, CoinDesk's longest-running and most influential event that brings together all sides of crypto, blockchain and Web3. Head to consensus.coindesk.com to register and buy your pass now. Read more about Twitter. Dogecoin trending 1 markets. Dogecoin gains 12% after token symbol replaces bluebird as Twitter logo. April 3, 2023. Consensus Magazine. Sen. Warrants anti-crypto army is just the beginning of crypto's politicization. April 3, 2023. Technology arbitrum airdrop shows interest in DeFi, researcher says. April 3, 2023. 4 markets daily crypto roundup. Crypto update: Bitcoin rises amid banking uncertainties and macro headwinds. April 3, 2023. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.